This is Cynthia from Third Day Soaps Garden. I'm here at the Frick Enviornmental Center in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and I'm here today going to be doing a workshop on making a winter body balm and also blending herbal teas. At this table, I have displayed some of my products that will be for sale along with the workshop. Our holiday spa gift boxes. There are some for the men, which is a shaving razor, a beard balm, a beard oil, a brush for shaving, and an all-over body soap bar made with olive oil and coconut oil. These sell for $22. Introductory price, holiday season only. This is for women. This is 3 bath bombs. Here we have a lotion, 2 and 3 soaps, and it's made with lemongrass and rose. This we have coconut milk and lime with a sexy coconut lip balm and 2 soaps. Here we have our infamous lavender soap with chamomile. Here we have our famous smooth operator bath, body, and massage oil, and our famous Way Deep Muscle Salve for sore joints and muscles. It's excellent at getting out pain and joint pain. We also have some information for women for a healthy environment. Just the little cards for the top 12 toxins to avoid in personal care products. Take you over here to our table where we'll be doing our tea blending. What they'll do, the customers will come in, or the patrons will come in, and they'll grab a container, they'll grab a pair of gloves, they'll choose 2 or 3 of the herbs that are over here. We have a lot of herbs today. Also some information on drinking tea. I call it Drink It Up. We have here some Thai basil that I grew in the garden, some paulownia. On the bottom here, there's probably some bee balm monarda. This is chocolate mint in this packet here. Some lemon balm, some yerba mate, some peach skins, dried banana skins, peppermint, echinacea, sassafras, ginger root, Irish moss, and strawberry leaves. So the patrons will pick up a pair of gloves and they'll make their own teas, and we'll blend them today, and they'll get to take it home. Over here we're going to be making our winter balm. They'll grab one of these containers here with a lid, and they'll add their Vaseline, the jojoba oil, and also the patchouli and the bergamot. Pick up one of the sticks. We'll blend them over here. The directions are here for them to do. Have labels over here to label them, and also gloves for sanitary purposes. So this will be our workshop today at the Frick Enviornmental Center in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Come check us out this evening, October 11th, 2019. My workshop is from 6 to 7 p.m. I'll do some videos and I'll go live later. Thank you. Have a good day. This is Cynthia Hill from Third Day Soaps Garden. Cosmetic scientist, certified herbalist, and natural skincare expert. Bye-bye.